Once you're ready to activate your child's NYC Scholarship account, you'll go to nyckidsrise.org. On our website, you'll see an Activate Account button at the top. You can also translate our website into your preferred language by clicking on this pink drop-down menu in the right-hand corner. When you click on the menu, you'll see a list of other languages that you can select. Once you're in your preferred language, go ahead and click on Activate Account. Once you click on Activate Account, you'll be taken to our Building Block 1 page. We'll scroll down here and hit Activate Account again. Then you'll be taken to Savings Tracker, which is our platform where you can view your child's NYC Scholarship account. And here you'll get the opportunity to enter your child's home zip code, date of birth, and your child's 9-digit student ID number. Take a moment to do that now. Once that's entered, make sure to verify that the information is correct and matches the information that your child has on file with your school. Then you can hit Submit. On the next page, you'll be able to make your new profile by entering your name, your last name, and your email address. Then you'll create a password. This is the password you'll use to log into your child's account in the future. Make sure to use at least 8 characters, 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, a number, and a special character. You'll need to enter that same password again to verify and confirm that you've entered it correctly. If you have any trouble, you can click on this eye icon in order to see what you've typed. After entering and creating your new password and verifying that new password by entering it again, you can review our terms of use by clicking on the pink terms of use words, and then accept those terms of use to continue with completing the activation. You'll hit Create User Profile when you're ready. Once you've created your user profile, you'll be taken into your child's NYC Scholarship account, and you'll see a Building Block 1 survey. Take a moment to review the questions here. All the questions are optional, but if there's any that you're comfortable with answering, we'd appreciate having that information. You can enter any questions that you're comfortable with answering, and then hit Submit. Once you've completed the Building Block 1 survey, you're done with the activation, and you'll be able to see your child's NYC Scholarship account on your Savings Tracker homepage. When you scroll down, you'll see a graph of your child's account that looks something like this, where you can see the initial $100 allocation, and because the accounts are invested in the financial market through the NY529 Direct Plan account, you'll see that they may fluctuate in value from time to time. If you want to see the list of transactions that your child's NYC Scholarship account has received, you can click on the Scholarship Account tab here. 1 week or so after activating your child's account, you'll be able to see the first $25 reward that you earned by activating your child's account. If you scroll further down on Savings Tracker, you'll see additional building block reward information that can help you continue in your Save for College program journey. Great. That's how you activate your child's NYC Scholarship account. I hope you were able to activate your child's NYC Scholarship account, but if you ran into any trouble, here are some common reasons you might be experiencing an error message. You may have the wrong zip code, or if you recently moved, your school may have the wrong zip code on file and have your old zip code. You can check in with your school's parent coordinator and update this information in order for us to get an updated information and updated zip code for you. We may also not have the correct date of birth for your child. Check with your school or your school's parent coordinator to ensure that your child's correct date of birth is listed. You can also double check that the OSIS number or student ID number that you typed is correct. It should be a 9-digit number. If your child attends a charter school, they will also have an OSIS number that you can ask for with your parent liaison or a parent coordinator at your school. Finally, if your child started school after the opt-out period, they might not have an account created for them. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us through our hotline or our info email. Thank you so much for watching this video and taking the time to activate your child's NYC Scholarship account.